Dead end sa hiring? Anak, bakit kaya minsan parang wala talagang qualified na nag-a-apply? Di ba ang sakit sa ulo? That's how Merly felt. She ran a small roadside restaurant serving travelers and locals. And at first, nag-post siya sa kanyang sariling Facebook profile. Looking for cook and server. PM me. 1 week passed, nothing but dead ends. Isa gusto lang part-time, isa walang experience, and another stopped replying. Bakit ganito? Merly thought, frustrated. And then she tried widening her net. She joined a local Facebook jobs group and posted there. She printed a small sign and taped it to her restaurant door. We are hiring, apply inside. Even told her suki meat supplier, baka may kakilala kang pwedeng magtrabaho dito. And guess what? Biglang dumami ang options niya. A neighbor's niece who had just graduated applied. Another one was referred by her cousin. Soon, Merly had a pool of serious candidates and na-realize niya kung sa customers mas marami kang pinupuntahan, mas madali kang makakabenta. Same rin pala sa hiring. The more places I post, the faster I find the right one. Kaya anak, eto yung lesson. If you only use one channel, your chances stay small. Pero kapag pinalawak mo, biglang mas marami kang pagpipilian. And that's how you find the right fit faster. That's how you can be a business-minded Pinoy.